Kale, ladies and gentlemen, so much welcome. My name is the one, the king himself, and today I'm in my throne. Yeah, it is what it is, and chilling with FreeBoy. Amanyaga matufu agenda kubaga tubulia right today here on Before 5. Don't forget, Intino Ocean is proudly sponsored by Coca-Cola, so just grab a Coca-Cola because we're going to take you for full 15 minutes. Non-stop. Ngatunyumye chibozibozi with my homie okuva side zeri Arua, then to Kampala, then to all over the world with the hit song olumanyidwanga Kwate Simu. Is this his first song? Or not? Me and you, we are going to be getting the evidence over the truth from the man himself. Welcome onto the show, bruh.
I'm humbled.
Oli steady?
Steady.
Kapiachi?
Nkugambya.
Huh?
Kwate simu ke kapya ke kaliwo.
MCs always ask for an acapella, but since I'm a TV host, I'm going to ask you to introduce yourself to our dear viewers.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I go by the names FreeBoy. My real names, you can call me Mubarak Mandela Gemanya Matufu. Eranga nsibuka Arua West now. Ekibuga ekyakabi. I call it the New York of Uganda.
Young Mandela with a very big banger.
I'm humbled.
How does this feel?
This feels really great. You know, as always, you have to put God first. God is into details right now. He's playing his cards right. And being the victim right here, the guy who actually brought about the whole formula, I feel so humbled and blessed that everything is working my way. Yeah.
So ketubuzeko kwa chaliba feri wakaje tuva.
Azimichi baorwaru wagariki maimemva FreeBoy ale me support my.
How do you start? How do you come to Kampala? Your journey?
Coming from Arua to Kampala was actually a decision I made. Ida nganasalawo nengamba mukadde wange omanyichi kangende ntobe.
Kanumbe Kampala?
Yes. Ebyokusoma already nali mmaliriza senior 6 nengamba kanumbe Kampala. Era bwe najja nganze nekkiririza mu manye everything.
Muzeyi kyamuyisa kitya?
Tekyamuyisa bulungi of course. Teri muyimbi ayingira music n'olowooza nti bazadde be bagenda beera oba basanyuke kuba they believe that music is for crooks. Yeah. So I took it as a decision because I had a belief in me that I would be a star. I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but I felt there was need to come out here and express myself to the world.
So ingide Kampala o wajira ku motoka ya matoke chali wange grenade yajja na kamyo
bangamba
mu bus katugo wajote Kampala
nze najira mu bus sebo najira mu bus sasula nenfuna entebe nensaba mukama nti bwe mbanzize wano oba mu Kampala ebintu bintambulire bulungi era najja bansibidde entanda.
Kampala inayo mutena gwali omanyi?
Naili nawo sister wange gwe nali mbeera naye.
Otuse Kampala 2011. Yeah. What happens? Which first studio did you go to?
So we had like a studio around Namuongo. We call it Vietnam Muongo. Vietnam. Yeah.
Mwali balwanyi mwali ji?
Just hearing over it was like something that the hip hoppers loved using.
Okay.
They used to call it Vietnam Muongo. So we had a studio there called MIC Records where I used to work. I made a lot of friends because of the talent. Omanyi talent weri chikwangwira nnyo buli omu aba ayagala akoleki to get a piece of you. Yeah. So since they were just hip hoppers, hip hop had already taken its course. It was there already. Yeah. We had the
likes of
K-Calls, GNLs. We had like it was already there. So me being one of those vocalists or R&Bs in that crew or in that studio gave me a chance to actually work with most of them, from the 440s, Extreme, Venakezo, LP, Lyrical Proof. Yeah, I worked with so many of them, Killer Instinct, and mostly I was doing choruses. I was doing hooks for them. And before you know it, I ended up in the hip-hop canvas. I was invited by a guy that I worked with on a song, and before you know, that's where GNL spotted me, and it's like, yo.
Or to speed. But to our viewers that are watching us right now, I want them to understand your story so that they just know that you didn't just come out of the not kuba hit. More hits. So that was 2012? 11.
Yeah.
The same year you came in Kampala, the same year you meet General Zamba. So you joined
I joined the camp. But before joining the camp, makatya omanyira waberawo haswe zibeerawo. Nasulanga mu studio nze nasulanga ko ne mu taxi. All the taxi park omwo nasulanga mu taxi.
Nsonga ki?
Omanyi oluusi bw'oba osayiningiddwa oba n'omunene ng'oyo edda tebyali bintu nti byali vabo like hip hoppers obimanyi naawe so yandaba n'asiima what I was doing on stage crafty naye nga it had to take some time for him to buy my my trust to understand the kind of person he wanted to work with. So I also had to make sacrifices to make things happen. So nga amanyi okunkubira ekiro bambi FreeBoy oliwa tuli wano ku buddies wandisazeeko n'ojja n'okola ki n'okuba freestyle ngate I don't have money sina transport sina ki nga nina okweyiya muganda wange okulaba nti nve namuwongo nenzire ntinda so oluusi he has just seen you. It's the first time you're meeting with him. I wanted to give him a benefit of doubt that I was okay. So I could just leave Untinda. I come walking a bit. I get a kaboda, or a taxi in front. I end up at night because at night we used to have taxis again Entebbe. Always sulaunga zirinda kaba chakazo.
Okubazaayo sawa nga mwenda awo
yes kati ezesaawa nze ntayiminga ne nyingira mu taxi nembeera mu nempowa nga nindako abachakaze bajjule nenga I'm buying time to go back home but I couldn't walk through the railway area and all that bandi badde
so kino kyamala bbanga ki
it never took long he actually didn't know until somebody told him naye Zamba kimanyi nti ono omwana Nagamba, no, but FreeBoy, why didn't you tell me? Nagamba, no, you should have told me. No, I love
your own peace and your secrecy.
Yeah, and my secrecy and all that. I keep my things to myself.
Okay.
And he told me, no, you can come and start staying at my place.
Oh.
And things
so
were successful. By then he was in Chisasi. Era twasengukayo Chisasi netudde ekiwatule naye.
A lot happens kusoro example ideko na abayimbi abasinga a lot happens ng'omuyimbi omuto abeera n'omuyimbi omunene abasinga babayoleza engato babayoleza underpanty and the likes. What was your story with GNL?
GNL is a very understanding. No, he's
pants,
a very no
shirts.
Never. I'm telling you the truth, because I feel it's all about being yourself. This world needs being genuine and being organic. He's a very understanding guy. He's like a brother. Yatuyisanga baganda be. Jene otayagala mbeera mbi tagala laba nti bw'aba ayambadde ekyakabi nga kyaliwe. Kitegeera ffe yatutwalanga. He was not a boss. He was not a celebrity to our eyes. He was a brother to us.
Okay.
Yeah? Era ne bwe twagendanga mu show nga manyi okundaba n'agamba no. FreeBoy gendo gyeri engatto yange eri.
Gy'oba oyambala.
You get?
So how long did you work with the Baboon Forest?
I worked with Baboon Forest for 3 years. I featured in his album Speaking Vernacular. Speaking Vernacular, the lead album Kuba Chorusy. There's a song on that album called Editor. I did the chorus myself. And some other song with Lyrical G. Yeah. East African Party, I think. I
think that album is right on iTunes. You can go check it out. So who is FreeBoy? So fast forward, ovudde mu Baboon Forest, or where was your turning point back to Arua?
I actually, at some point in time, you need to be able to evaluate yourself in life. You look at how far this is taking you, whether there's something important out of it and all that. Like, I had to make a decision real quick. And the decision I made was to go back home and buy the love of my people back home. I knew I could still make it with GNL, but I just wanted to be me.
Okay.
There was something missing, and what was missing was the gap between me, FreeBoy, n'abantu bange.
Back
home, yes. Kuba, for GNL already, he had bought the love for his people back in Kampala. Era n'akigula n'angamba, by the way, you're right. It's very important to relate. I won't really refuse you from doing that. You can go ahead and see what's best for you. But otherwise, thanks for working with me. Thanks for being that loyal guy that you are.
Okay, just a quick one, because I have so many questions and time is really on our neck. True. But you're going to go into a quick fire a little bit, where you don't have to explain really much.
True.
Lessons learned, 3 of them, with General Zamba. Just a quick one.
I learned the music business.
That's 1.
I learned how to be humble.
2.
And the third one, I learned how to take quick decisions.
Kale, Oze Arua,
Yes.
after learning all those 3 major lessons from Baboon Forest, how was the journey?
I get to Arua with all that I learned. I had to put it into play, meaning I had to act upon whatever I learned. And it worked for me. Immediately when I got there, I branded myself as FreeBoy, the African boy sound. I had to brand myself from the way I dress, what I say out there, what I post on my social media platforms, because that can also damage you. And before you know, I was one of the biggest brands in West Nile region and in the Greater North.
Okay. Yeah. Songs, hit songs done in Arua that we can speak of. Abali Arua, and this segment, please speak the local language.
The local language.
Abali Arua, so that we can associate with them.
In Lugbara?
Yes, Lugba, telling them the hit songs you made for them during that time. That was 2013, maybe 2015.
Yes, of course, my people back home, they know. Nikira, I had songs like Magic. I had songs like You and Me and Alemi.
Alemi.
Yes.
So you do all those hit songs, become the celebrity of the region, tukulabya ochikubye nyambala yeyo.
And actually, not only being a celebrity, but I won awards. I won awards in Arua, and then I won myself an award in the Greater North, Northern region, which is Gulu.
Anyway, so you come back to Kampala.
Yeah.
Tudusemu kawo mpaka ku 2019. Kye kyakomyewo Kampala era jani badete mpaka guno mwaka.
So bwe nakomawo Kampala ba Big Trio bajjanga mu Arua ne mu Njinga nga bakola zi shows babayitanga. Nga ndaba kinyiga mikwano gyange gye nali najjo okujja nga bakola show ne zijjula. Era nga baŋŋamba naye mwana FreeBoy wakola obi okudde n'ogenda lemala. Naye ate nadda e Kampala after being signed to this record label, Viva Entertainment. Omuzira Kisa eyalaba nti there was need for me to come back to Kampala. After buying the love from my people, already cut it's concrete. I'm the biggest export from that side.
Okay.
Nangamba, come to Kampala. Let's work on something. After listening to a song called Sabala. Sabala yakola bulungi. It played in most of the...
yeah, it was a big one.
Yes, it was a big one. So I do Sabala and he tells me, I think you should stay here.
Okay.
So finds me a place. Works on my looks, my wardrobe and everything is professional, by the way. I buy the idea. That's how I started doing music now.
Okay, and so fast forward to 2019.
2019.
Yes, katibane mutusonye tutuse ku kinusi wana Embozzi wenyumira. Kanso kensali nako. So 2019 uze idea yo kugimba akayimba kakwate simu. First of all, the original song. Yeah. Yavawa.
Kati awo 2019 nno nkozeeyo obuyimba tulina gwabe nkubya tulina kwiso gye nakolera ewa Daddy Andre.
Yes.
Maze okukola ennyimba ezo for gwabe nkubya was done at Andy Music. Nenda banga mwana bannayuganda balinganga abatana bakola ki kuntegeera kyokka video za kabimba zo zishootinga tugenze Dar es Salaam tukoze ebintu ebyakabi ne Jordan Hawklin bicho obitegeera print muggo waliwo ekibulamu
sukali sikeeko
oba okitegeera
tewagenda ko musabo abayimba ga mulogaloga
no
tewalinago akuba nkokola
kugambye nti nze nkulembeza mukama kiraba kati ne wabaawo gayi ajja ngamba nti omanyi ki industry inajje kwata idol abantu ina bakwata idol akagamba ako kannemeramu for a very long time kuno bakwata idol kalaba ate nga bwendaba oluyimba lwa Bosco eyali advert abamuje ba okitegeera
kwejja nefuuka hit ngamba luyimba lwa ddala
kiki ekize kibulamu mu industry bweba advert efuuse hit meaning people are missing the local content. Yeah, that real local content. I think already in a background ene yakadongo kamunti mama yawulizanga nnyimba ezo ngamba ndoza wano wengendo yitira wano wenino kwatira industry
nokwata gita
sakwata gita
wakola ki
kinakola nti nali nino already nga nina music. I was inspired nga music najja mu wuliro yo kuvadda ngamba no, I think I should do something. Ate I was also inspired by Burna Boy. Burna Boy yakwata music wa Fela Kuti. Omanyi Fela Kuti yakolanga kadongo kamu aba Nigeria. Nate natukuba nakuba worldwide atenga akozeseza inspiration ya Fela Kuti.
Wagambya naye ko kwato wachi wewa.
Nengamba no. Chiwewa by the way yali tandi mu picture. ninga nali mumanyi ate nga music we mwagala ya naye atenze ekintu kye nayagala okukola nakozesa eddoboozi nga njagala eddoboozi lino liveeyo ng'eri akadongo kamu oba libeere ng'eri omuzeeyi lifulfiringe sound ey'akadongo kamu ng'asagala ate nnyimba ebintu abantu bangamba onaayimba biki because kadongo kamu togenda mukubisa ddoboozi liriwo lyonna it has a specific voice for it
n'ogenda mu studio
nengenda mu studio.
Which studio was that?
I have a friend of mine is called Kamba yali akolera mu yali studio ajije mu Freedom City, so it never had a name. Ngali waka, it was a home studio. Ne mugamba mwana njagala kola waliwo some style I want to do. Nangamba which style? Ne mugamba kadongo kamu. Nangamba you're joking. Yaseka wono okuseka. Ne mugamba no nze I want to do kadongo kamu. So we started building. I gave him ideas of how I wanted my kadongo kamu to sound like. Kati bwe yagenda owulira party z'oluzungu ezo nangamba no kino ekintu kyolese kisobola okukola. Jukira nange nali sinakyeekakasa bulungi, but when we completed the song I realized I think kati wano I've actually gotten something real for myself.
So mara owuliriza oluyimba luno, where does the idea of getting Winnie Nwangi onto your original song come from? Kati confused yao
nga tukola oluyimba olwo ne Kamba data najja nayiika
data oluyimba.
Yes, kati Kamba ne munoonya ate ne tuzimba oluyimba from zero okitegeera naye ate mixing ne mastering ne tumujje wa Kamba ne tumutwala ewani and the music and the music nakola mixing ate oluyimba already Kamba yali yerabiddemu obuntu obulala, so Kamba he helped, he put the song where it was before. So nze kye bwe twamala oluyimba oluyimba ne tulukwata ne tuluteekayo ku YouTube. Then Winnie loved the song, by the way. She listened to the song the very first time somebody shared it with her. And she was in love with the song, natandika oduyimba. So an insider nangamba
walina bambegabo
insider
ewa Winnie
muswanguzi nga chali wange because we bajjanga mu Arua bampanga emirimu Belgiums biki nangamba Winnie ayagala oluyimba n'atolo mukulu Kyaze ayita naluwulira era Kyaze we bamugamba ne bamuwako ne background yange ntono mwana atobya abaddewo biki Kyaze n'agamba ebyokutoba is not the issue but omwana alina talent kuba he looks at talent. He's a very critical guy when it comes to discovering and spotting good sound and whoever has talent. Ate musajja ategeera ayina ekisa n'agamba ono omwana mwandi mulese, we work together. Naye ate we also had songs in plan ne management yange nga manager atandise okuŋŋamba nze ndowooza luno oluyimba okubeera olwakabi tulina odduteekako brand etegeerekeka ennene kitegeera naye ate nga naffe tutya tugaha kweri banakkiriza okitegeera kubeera
kanzirukemuko speed katono nnyo wawulira otya nga akasimu kakubiddwa okuva mu Swangs ogenda okukola nabo?
Baba, that's like a dream come true. Ochimanyi Swangs is like the Sony Records of Uganda. Ani atayagala akasimu kuveeyo ne bobani kyali wange emisana gyonna nali siteredde nga njagala ebintu
wafuna mukadayolia
nkugambye buli kimu kyali awo nawulira nga ebbugumu atakawo kale nga I'm feeling cold sibitegeera
tewalya nakulya
saali yanze gasagana najagala ebintu bitambulirewo. That is how excited I was.
FreeBoy.
That's how excited I was. Era when I'm meeting a mukulu Kyaze, it was like a dream come true. Naye I can tell you one thing, he's a very simple guy. Bangamba, that is Kyaze by the way. Ngamba,
are you sure?
I'm too emotional. Nali njagala kaba naye nga sisobola because I had to act professional.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we're still chilling with FreeBoy, but in our last 2-3 minutes, allow me mbuze FreeBoy buzo bibiri, then ebisigadde nga mbadde musinga ku social media tujja kwa still tugezaako bimu forwarding ira ate with other interviews kubanga sigwe gusosate sigwe gusembye. So okoze ne Swangs twawulidde amawulire amalungi, but before that wabaddewo some gossip. We know utalo between you and Chiwewa nti wagana okukkiriza nti oli mukulu wo, something like that.
No.
Please look in that camera and care up there.
Bannanga bana Uganda ogaba mawulire mukulu Chiwewa abanga taata wange ate nga legend era musaamu ekitiibwa abasajja you know what they call genuine Ugandan sound. So there's never been a time that I felt like even being in that kind of fight. Like, there's completely no fight. Chiwewa respects me as a young artist, yeah, and feels me just being close to comparing me with him. I feel so blessed. Chiringango kugamba you sound like Michael Jackson. Ani atayagala. Take a close to the
Second one, wasoberera Winnie Nwangi. No mulemesa chosen blood, and nobody talk about breaking her up. Please, still in that camera, same camera.
Yeah.
Clear up.
Winnie Nwangi bannange chali wange. Era chosen blood naye kaponyo.
Tewamukwasa simu. Tewatega kibali.
Me and Winnie Nwangi we have what we call a connection as far as the collaboration is concerned in music.
Okay.
But relationship-wise, no. Like, we're just friends.
Friends.
We're just friends.
Lastly, you got signed to Swangs. I respect them.
Okay.
They are respected in the industry.
Yeah.
How did you get that deal, and how does it feel?
I don't know to which context you've used I got signed, but I'll leave the rest for management to put out.
Okay.
About that rumor, yeah? I think I'm not in position to,
Comment about it?
comment about it.
Anyways, you've heard it from the host's mouth. Any last words before I let you go?
Please, let's remember to always sanitize. Yeah? COVID abaddewo atulemesezza ebintu bingi. Engoma nandibadde ngifunamu ssente naye kweyanza BTM okunnyaniriza okumpa what they call how do you call it, putting me to the faces of my people, my fans, yeah, and making sure that I relate. Newaba tewaliwo show, but at least they feel there is need for the world to know the guy behind the Kwate Simu hit song. Banange mbasaba oku subscribing on my YouTube channel, FreeBoy Adams on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, FreeBoy Adams, and let's keep Ugandan music great.